I guess we're here and we just hike from here now, yeah?
I guess.
So we're going to hike for about an hour. We're going to go to a waterfall, which is supposed to be really stunning and natural. But it's going to be challenging. It's in the jungle. So let's see if we get there. Wow, it's quite rough terrain, isn't it?
It is. By the way, I got it on camera.
You must keep your eyes on these rocks because you'll easily fall over. Christmas is wearing sandals. I'm wearing just... And he's wearing... What we have to cross here? So Ed's having trouble on this park here. So I'm going to go barefoot through here. I think it's the best way to go. Yeah, that's a good idea, Ed. And the water's really nice. So we've reached our destination, Ollie. Just up here. My feet are soaking, my shoes are soaking, and I'm tired. And we've only been walking for, it feels like hours, but it's probably only been like 40 minutes. But it's been a really tough slog, actually. The toughest walking I've ever done. And this is what we've come for.
Steven!
Makes me think that the film Predator was filmed here, so if I hear that sound of the Predator, I think I would honestly shit myself.